Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another new early airdrop, and the name of the project is Republic. They just only have 6.6k followers right now, so we are joining super early in this project. If you check their recent post, then you can see they just launched their testnet on January 27, so don't miss the chance to join early. So what is Republic and what do they build? They say layer 1 blockchain backed by compute. So basically, Republic AI is a layer 1 built for verifiable compute, enabling deterministic and decentralized AI workloads on chain. If you want to learn more about them, then you can visit their website where they share lots of information. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this website link. So after landing on this page, first you need to log in. So click here on login, then a sign up form pops up. Here you can sign up using Discord, or you can use Twitter, or you can also log in with your EVM wallet. So I am continuing with X here. Then authorize. And is connected. Next, here you need to enter an invite code. I'll put my code in the video description, so enter the code here, then submit the code, and done. Next, you need to connect your Discord, so click on connect Discord, then authorize, and done. Next, you need to connect your wallet, so click on connect wallet, then click on connect EVM wallet, then choose any of these following wallets. I'd select MetaMask here, then click on connect. After that, confirm the request, again confirm the request, and done. So your setup is complete now. Next, what you need to do is click here on Faucet, then claim testnet tokens, and done. Remember, Faucet is not daily. 1 hour AI is max per wallet. In the leaderboard section, right now no data shows yet, but here you see the users who recently joined. So there's nothing to do here right now, but here you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends. And for the next updates, keep an eye on our Telegram channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.